will take some extra time to speak something. Then, as you are the chief guest here, I have to take a permission from you. Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir. So nice. Good evening. Namaste. And warm greetings to all esteemed dignitaries, respected delegates, and honorable members of the United Nations Global Peace Council and House of Lords, London. It is with immense pride and profound gratitude that I accept this honor today at House of Lords, being invited as a guest of honor at the United Nations Global Excellence Award, London, organized at House of Lords. It's not only a personal milestone, but a tribute to the path of healing that I have devoted my life to. A special and heartfelt thanks to Dr. Barkha Varsha, Chairperson of the United Nations Global Peace Council, for this recognition. Your belief in holistic, peaceful, and integrated healthcare is deeply inspiring. I am Dr. Arpat Chopra Jain, founder of Arogya Super Specialty Modern Homeopathy Clinic, Indore, Madhya Pradesh from India, of having 2 decades of experience in revolutions of homeopathic medicines. My journey has been rooted in the vision to transform homeopathy into develop a globally respected, evidence-based and super specialty medicine and system which we are calling as super specialty modern homeopathy. Super specialty modern homeopathy. It may be one of the target to achieve as a future of homeopathy, which we are calling as super specialty modern homeopathy, and already we are working to and giving treatment from online system to 19 countries for critical and surgical patients like cancer stage 4, stage 5 of the kidney failure patients, comatose patient, hospitalized patient, surgical category patient, incurable category of the medical science like those cases, autoimmune disorders, and whatever the life-threatening diseases have been told incurable in the medical science, we are working on the same criteria. And I am proud to share that we have documented data of over and around 3,000 patients cured from the critical and chronic illness. This research and evidence-based system is transparently available on my official YouTube channel and our website, where real patients' journey testify to the power of Arogya Super Specialty Modern Homeopathy. Our next step of submit this verified data and treatment to the WHO, World Health Organization, and many medical platforms, many medical councils for recognition worldwide as a future of homeopathy by online submission and face-to-face handover and submission already under process and ongoing, with the goal of introducing a new era of scientific and globally acknowledged super specialty homeopathy from India, with the vision of complete, easy, safe, fast and cost-effective cure. In addition to this work, I have been already honored to serve as a homeopathic representative for BRICS countries and was recently confirmed the prestigious doctorate degree by the United States of America International University, and being invited as a guest of honor at United Nations headquarters, New York, few months back under the supervision of Dr. Barkha Varsha. Thank you for saying. And my belief is simply yet profound. Health is the foundation of peace. Health is the foundation of peace, and healing is the language of humanity. And healing is the language of humanity. I repeat again, health is the foundation of peace, and healing is the language of humanity. Together, let us rise above diseases, divisions and despair, and give the world a system of medicine from India that is safe, effective, fast, affordable and deeply humane, with vision of impossible to possible by research and evidence-based super specialty modern homeopathy treatment. I once again thank the United Nations Global Peace Council for this powerful platform and promise to continue serving mankind with even greater commitments. Because after all, life is meant to be lived. Life is meant to be lived, not just endured. Not just endured. Let us live it fully. Let us live it fully, not merely survive it. Not merely survive it. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Humanity. Thank you.